Hey, what's up? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. In this quick video, we're gonna burn some screens and have a little fun. Just need to go ink side down. Boom. These screens are purely for decoration. They're gonna look super cool, and we're gonna put them in my office. All right, we've exposed our screen with our LED exposure unit. We're gonna take the film off and we're gonna plunge this screen right into some water. We have our dip tank full of water. We've pre-developed the screen. Now we're gonna rinse it out with a pressure washer and create our stencil. Here we go. This is a 50 line per inch halftone burned on a 230 screen mesh. Came out nice. So in the last couple of years, I have started riding bicycles a lot, or at least I want to ride them a lot. And this particular shot is of a Salsa Cutthroat. It's an awesome bike, and I want to hang this up in my office so when I look at it, it makes me want to go and ride bikes. And I'll put my own Salsa Cutthroat right next to it, so I'll have two to look at. So this little piece of plastic creates an air channel between this edge of the frame, or this side of the frame, and this side of the frame, and that allows the air, once we put our neoprene blanket down, it allows the air to come through here, these little channels, and we want maximum positive contact between our glass, our film, and our screen mesh. And that's what this vacuum exposure unit does for us. It sucks it all down so that there's positive contact here and there's no gaps. That's what you want for an optimal screen. Dude, look how different it looks after you get it wet. The whole thing makes sense now. You can see like wrinkles in his face. It's crazy. We'll give it one more dunk. Just loosen up that emulsion before we rinse it out with the pressure washer. And when we hit it with the pressure washer, you're gonna notice that I'm not gonna come in really close to it because you don't wanna blow out these halftone dots. You wanna keep them. So we're gonna go hit it with the pressure washer, but we're gonna approach it cautiously. Here we have nice photographic image, 50 line per inch halftone dot, burned on a 230 mesh count. Came out great. I'm gonna hit it from this side just a little bit, Not too much, I want to keep my dots. If you dry them in the sun, it's going to be about 10-15 minutes. The sun is the best way to dry them. You get full UV light from the sun. It's going to post harden the emulsion and cross-link the emulsion so it's harder and more durable. It's the way to go. If we took the screen off the exposure unit and walked out in the full sunlight, it would post-expose our screen and ruin it. Putting the screen into a tank of just water allows you to pre-develop the emulsion, and you can walk out in the full sunlight after dunking it into the water tank. Now if light hits it, it doesn't matter. It's stopped the exposure process since we got it wet. So we still have a little bit of emulsion left in our print area, and I'm going to test this emulsion to see if it's underexposed or overexposed. So if I take my finger and rub it on this area right here, if you get a lot of slime, that is underexposed emulsion or not exposed emulsion. So we're a little bit underexposed, not too bad, but you should be able to rub this and have no slimy emulsion there. That's kind of how you know if you're underexposed. So we're gonna hit it from this side just a little bit and get this emulsion out of our print area, and we'll be good to go. Wish I was fishing today, but I'm not. I'm doing this. I'm gonna put this in the sun, post-expose it, harden it. Hey, again, Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the artwork or anything we used in the process making these screens today, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.